Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Chainlink. What's going on is this time in the Chainlink. As you know, the new month starts now, and people are very excited for the new month. That when will the Chainlink start jumping? Everybody waiting for the Chainlink jump. Oh my goodness! Today is the 1st June, and Chainlink don't take a jump. Wow, that's really shock news for me. But you know what? Why I'm very happy today? Because the Chainlink star jumped. Oh my god. At this time the Chainlink star jump. I can't believe that at this time the Chainlink star jump in the market. Wow. Now when the Chainlink star jumping, so the Dogecoin, XRP card and all these coins so already take a jump. When the Chainlink start jump. Oh my goodness. Now, anyways, I feel like the latest update of the Chainlink is time in the market, so absolutely the price is going positive. And the last 1 hour, you can see now on the screen, if you look the price changes of the Chainlink, so you can see here last 1 hour pricing is positive 2.64%, and the last 1 week pricing is positive 14.69%. Absolutely the change is going positive, my friends, at this time in the Chainlink. So that's why I'm feeling very happy with the Chainlink. My friends, it's just the beginning of jumping. That's why people understand that it's a temporary jump, but you have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit, my friends. You have to hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, if you look the price of the Chainlink, so 30.05 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chainlink at this time in the market. These all update is the latest update. I will show you if it's the latest update of the Chainlink at this time in the market. I'm not a financial advisor, but I suggest for everyone at this time it's time to hold. You can see here that the last 1 hour, in the last 1 hour the Chainlink start jumping. So when they start jumping, so it's time to hold, my friends, not to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. See you.